Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 steps to creating a successful app business in 2024. Just a little background about me. My own personal apps currently make over $250,000 per year in profit, even while I sleep. Now, it's not 100% passive because you still need to update them from time to time. But the freedom of having apps that generate your profit while you get to travel and do things you love is absolutely priceless. So, if you've ever dreamed about starting a successful app business in 2024, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step number 1 is market research. This is where it all begins. You need to analyze top competitor apps in your niche that you want to go after. Look at what makes them successful. What kind of audience are they targeting and what kind of monetization strategies are they using? For your first app, I recommend that you don't try reinventing the wheel. Instead, take inspiration of what's already working and try and improve on those ideas. Tools like Sensor Tower and Data.ai are perfect for this kind of research and both offer free versions. These tools will help you identify key trends, understand your competitors, and pinpoint your target audience. Now, jumping into step number 2, which is design and development. The truth is, you don't need to be a coding expert to create a great app. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for finding affordable freelancers. Fiverr is generally cheaper, but you might need to look a little bit harder to find quality work. Upwork tends to be more expensive, but the quality and reliability are often better. Both platforms protect you from scams, which is a lesson I had to learn the hard way when I first started. Always pay for a small sample of work first, just so that you are happy with the quality. This step can save you a lot of time and money. Also, you want to have a clear design document ready to give to your developer. This document should detail all the features and designs you want, and also include references to other apps in your niche. Step number 3, marketing. This is what's going to ultimately make or break your app business. App Store optimization, or ASO, is absolutely crucial, especially if you do not have a budget to run ads. ASO involves optimizing your app's title, description, keywords, and visuals to improve its visibility on the App Store. Again, you can use the free versions of Sensor Tower and Data.ai to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. This strategy has personally helped me generate millions of installs for my own apps. If you join my online community, you will get access to my exact step-by-step organic strategies to help you generate thousands of installs for your own apps without spending a cent on marketing. To join, simply click on the link below in the description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more content. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.